Welcome to the Task Management View Options tutorial. Once you have many tasks in the Task Management feature, viewing them in the right order is key. Click on the View By tab on the top left and view it in any form you would like, either by title, by tags that you've created, by the due date, and many more options. In addition, once pressing on the Status tab, you'll be able to see all the open shifts that have not been completed by your users, or all the shifts that have been completed. Let's see how this looks on the mobile app. Once entering the mobile app, click on the Assets tab located on the bottom and click on Task Management. Click on the filter icon located on the top and filter all the relevant information you would like to receive, either by tags, by users, and the list goes on and on. Once you're ready, press save, and that's it. Thank you for watching.